Here's a quick tip on how to deinstall lettering using our chisel that we sell on our website. Simply apply heat with a heat gun hair dryer onto the surface of where you're trying to remove. Take your chisel on the side with the shiny edge, dig under the letter enough, you get your finger on it. Take your finger and just simply pull the vinyl off of the trailer. You just repeat the process, taking your chisel, again digging at it, just taking your time, pulling it off. What's going to happen is on some of the vinyl, it will leave adhesive marks. What that is we'll come back over with that adhesive remover and get that cleaned right up. So the second part of this is you take adhesive remover, which we sell on our website. What you do is you just spray it on the surface. Then what you do is you just wipe it down, just a paper towel. What you want to do is make sure you get all of this glue off. Just kind of work it up and down, side to side, however you can get it off. Just repeat this throughout the rest of the. For more quick tips, please subscribe to our YouTube page.